Mutongoria wa kiama kia NARC Martha Karua naruthite gikaro na andikimantito ondi kwethiritwe kurega kwiganira gwitikaniria gatagati ga utongoria wa Azimio kumana na Raila Odinga gwitikaniria na Rais Ruto kwithirwe na ruaria rwa gucuira nthi ya Kenya mwerekera. Karua augite maita mamengi ni kwithiritwe kwina ndwaria iria itina matunda kiremu Kenya na kiabata thaino ni kurekana na kuringa kanywa na kwithirwa makiru mera ashiko iria ikethirwo igitetheriria mu Kenya. Anthony Kadenya ena riboti ino.
Luali lwa ngwataniro lwalonekithitwe ni Rais William Ruto lwa kwalaniria na gucelewerwo kiri mathina maria makwalirwo ni Gen Z riu no kalothiete na mbere kureta mpatho gatigati ngwataniro ndega na thirikari ya Azimio. Nao na kethira mutongere wa ngwataniro eno Raila Odinga nionekanite kugwata mbaru kuthitheka kwa lelulu na kwerithia turukethira lulu aimwana na thirikari atongore bangi kiri ngwataniro na Azimio ilo Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper, Eugene Wamalwa wa DAP-K na Jeremiah Kioni wa Jubilee ni bamenilitelo lelulu. Kuringana na mutongero na Kenya Martha Karua mauntu mala Gen Z bakwaliria matekubatara gwikarande kwaliria heni malenda jiko jaime kwa imwe.
Dialogue is not necessary. What dialogue is necessary? To get all the senior officers in Nairobi who have been in place when this is happening to go home or be suspended. What dialogue is needed? To get police officers whose faces have been in the media shooting wantonly, killing people. What dialogue is needed for them to go home? And what dialogue is needed on corruption? What dialogue is needed for the clear message to William Ruto and his regime that they must exit the stage?
Kulingana na Karua, Azimio negirite ni aremo na nikagita liu bae Gen Z kanya kagutetera Kenya kumaki mauntu maria matakuthi na mbere wega.
This particular Gen Z demonstrations were not by us. We tried as Azimio. We failed. Through the usual methods. Come with dialogue, before you know it, co-option and compromise. Let us allow our children space to bring accountability to this country without necessarily trying to take them over.
Na kili kura wantu na kutewa kwa mili yao ntereja kware amuja Nairobi. Karona menete thirikari Rais William Ruto na kuganile meto kurutangugia ayo bloko baterie na kila kibatele kuthitheka thaino ni Rais William Ruto na thirikari yae kwebo bisini.
It is either these executions and disappearances are acts of a criminal government or a rogue government, or that it has failed in its most sacred duty of protecting and defending human life. Whether the murders are as a result of complicity by the state agencies or their inability to protect citizens, the only way out of this is for the entire Ruto regime to go.
Na kagita kala Gen Z babanganite maandamano muthenyo wa mujo Nairobi. Karua aliuga kenda gutetheria antu baingi batigate mioyo Rais William Ruto no mpasegule migambe imwana bibi na kwebo bisini.
To prevent further unnecessary confrontations and loss of life, we call upon William Ruto to heed the people's voice and to exit the stage, to resign. Enough is enough to corruption, to incompetence, and to brutality.
Kuma muji munene Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, Rangi wa Kadenya.